Good morning students, welcome back in maths class. मैं नितिन अग्रवाल. Today we will discuss chapter first, revision, number system. Right? We have completed almost chapter quadrilateral. Now we will start the revision of our previous questions. So let us start. The first question is of chapter 1. Insert 5 rational numbers between 3 upon 5 and 4 upon 5. We are having two rational numbers 3 upon 5 and 4 upon 5. And we are saying to inserting 5 rational numbers between this. We have 3 upon 5 and 4 upon 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. These 5 rational numbers we have to insert it between them. So before inserting the numbers, we have to check that the denominators of two given numbers is same or not. Right? So if denominator is not same, then we have to equal the denominators by cross multiplying the denominators to each other. Here we are seeing denominator is 5 and here also 5. Denominator is same, so no need to do any work. Right? So 3 upon 5 write it here and 4 upon 5 write it here. Now see students, the numbers that we have to insert it, that is 5. So we have to multiply one more than the inserting numbers, right? So we have to insert here 5 numbers, then we will multiply 5 plus 1, that is equal to 6, right? So see, 3 into 6, 5 into 6, 5 into 6, 4 into 6. Right students? The numbers that is multiplied to all the numbers, that is one more than the inserting numbers. Right? जितने नंबर हमें इंसर्ट करना है उससे वन नंबर ज़्यादा. So 3 6 जा 18 upon 30 and here 4 6 ja 24 upon 30. Now between this, after this 18 we have 19, then 20, 21, 22 and 23. Write the upon 32 each number, right? So students, you are seeing the 5 numbers between 18 upon 30 and 24 upon 30, that is 19 upon 30, 20 upon 30, 21 upon 30, 22 upon 30 and 23 upon 30. So these are the 5 numbers. Like this we can do any question for inserting any rational numbers between given two numbers. Right students? Okay, just see one more example of this kind in which we have to insert 3 rational numbers between 2 upon 3 and 3 upon 4. As you are seeing here, the denominator is same in both numbers, right? And here you will observe the denominator is different. Here denominator is 3 and here denominator is 4, right? So first 2 upon 3 and here 3 upon 4, right students? As I told you in this question, our first work is to equal the denominator. जो हमारा डिनोमिनेटर डिफरेंट है दोनों ही नंबर्स में, पहले हमें उसको इक्वल करना होगा. सी हाउ? Just cross multiply the denominators. As you are seeing, the 4 is the denominator here, so we have to multiply 4 to this side into 4 into 4, right? And you are seeing the 3 here, so multiply 3 on this side into 3 into 3, right students? Now see, 2 4 ja 8 upon 12, 3 3 ja 9 upon 12. So we have 8 upon 12 and 9 upon 12. So you are seeing here that denominator 12 is same in both the numbers. Now students, you can do one more thing. If in between the numerators these three numbers are coming, then you can write directly. But it is not here. Here is 8 and 9. So there is no number between 8 and 9. Right, students? So this question is like this. The numbers that we have to insert it, that is 3. Then we will multiply in this by one more than the number inserted. So as 3 plus 1, we have 4. So right here, multiply 3 plus 1 is equal to 4 to these numbers. Right, students? This will remind you that why this 3 plus 1, that is 1 more than the inserting numbers. So 8 upon 12 into 4 into 4, and here 9 into 4 upon 12 into 4, right? Now 8 4 ja 32 upon 48, and here 36 upon 48. Right, students? So this is 32 upon 48, this is 36 upon 48. Now insert it. After this 32, we have 33, then 34, and then 35. Write upon 48 as usual. So you will get here the three numbers are 33 upon 48, 34 upon 48, and 35 upon 48. By this easy pattern, you can insert any rational numbers between two given numbers. Right? See one more example. That is the question of your book. Insert 6 rational number between 3 and 4. This is the second question of your exercise 1.1. Insert 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. So we have 3 and 4. We have to insert 6 rational numbers, right? But in 3 and 4, we don't have any number, right? So we can write just below 1 and here 1. And I told you before that first check the denominator. Is this equal? Yes. Denominator 1, that is equal. So we will multiply that a number that is 1 more than the inserting numbers. So the inserting numbers are 6 here. So we will multiply by 1 more. That is 6 plus 1, 7. So you can write here multiply 6 plus 1 is equal to 7 to these numbers. Right, students? 3 upon 1 into 7 into 7, 4 into 7 upon 1 into 7, 21 upon 7, and here 28 upon 7. Right? Now, see, just after 21, we have 22, then 23, then 24, 25, 26, and 27 upon 7 in each number. Right? Then you will observe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the 6 rational numbers between two given numbers. Right, students? So I repeat one more time. First we will check the denominator in each number. If denominator is same, then we will multiply a particular number, that is one more, right? One more than the inserting number. That is, inserting number is 5. So we will multiply the 6 to each number, right? 3 into 6, 5 into 6, 4 into 6 and 5 into 6. Right, students? In this question, you are seeing here the denominator is different. 3 and 4. So first we will equalize the denominator by cross multiplying. 4 की मल्टीप्लाई यहाँ पर हमने करी और इस 3 की मल्टीप्लाई हमने यहाँ करी. Right? Now see, 8 upon 12 and 9 upon 12. We will get the equal denominators by cross multiplying. So after this, we will multiply the number, that is one more this, one more than 3, that is 4. So multiply the 4 to these two numbers and these two numbers. Then we will get 8 4 ja 32 and 9 4 ja 36. And denominator is 48, right? So between this 32 and 36, we have 33, 34 and 35. That is the required 3 rational numbers. Is it clear, students? And now, these 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. These are two natural numbers, 3 and 4. So we write here 3 upon 1 and 4 upon 1. Denominator is same, 1. So as we have the pattern, one more than the inserting number. So the inserting number is 6. So we have to multiply one more than 6. That is 7. So multiply 7 to these numbers. We will get 21 upon 7 and 28 upon 7. Write the 6 rational numbers between these two. So this is the pattern. You can do any question applying this format. In next video we will discuss some more questions of this chapter. Till then, goodbye students. Thank you.